What's going on, guys? Wade with Wade's Ventures here, and I am in front of a Dollar Tree, guys. I picked up a bunch of these dog washing mechanism things here. They're pretty cool. So basically it's 360, you can wash your dog. Now I picked up these for $1, guys, and as you guys can see, there's quite a few here. You can definitely retail arbitrage here at the Dollar Tree. That's the reason I'm creating this video, to show you. So these right now on Amazon, after fees, me sending this into Amazon, the profit is $10.82, I think. I'll put it on the screen here, guys. Now, I don't know if I'm going to hold on to these and sell them next year, because there's a lot of people out there selling them, but even now, it's not too bad. So, picked up a bunch of these guys. Now, I possibly may actually sell them on eBay next year as well. It's really cool to pick up stuff like this, really affordable, and sell it the next following season, guys. So I may hold on to these after the market's kind of died down a little bit, because there's a lot of people picking these up. But there is a lot of them here, guys. And the cool thing is you can basically source at the Dollar Tree. There's a lot of things that you can source here. Guys, just make sure you never forget that the Dollar Tree is an awesome place to pick up merchandise. And like I said, I may send a few of these into Amazon for $10.80 or so after fees, or I may hold on to them until next year. And that being said, until next time, I will continue to show you cool stuff. Hopefully, guys, hope you're having an awesome day. And please subscribe, more videos to come. And this is Super Soup. And have an awesome day, guys. See ya.